Dear students, welcome to Free ICT Tutorials Tamil. Happy to meet you all in this video lesson. In this video, we will study about Microsoft Excel basics. Shall we go to this lesson? If you want useful technology videos continuously, you want to subscribe this channel and click the bell icon for immediate notification when I release the video lesson. Right, what is a spreadsheet? Spreadsheet is an application software. It has a special purpose. Spreadsheet is performing calculations. It has many purposes, but here performing calculation is the main purpose of a spreadsheet application. Look here, earlier we used various methods to perform calculations such as use our fingers or mental calculations to perform simple calculations. After we use papers and calculators to solve complex calculations. Nowadays also, usually we use a square ruled book to perform systematic calculations. Every page in this square ruled book contains of pages with rows and columns. Here in Excel also we use spreadsheets which consist of multiples of rows and columns. Right now we want to discuss features or facilities of spreadsheets. They are performing simple and complex calculations, presentation of data in charts, show data in ascending and descending order. Spreadsheet software has many facilities. These are some of them. Here you can filtering facility also. You can filter some wanted data from bulk of data. From bulk of data you can extract whatever you want. In addition, some common features like serving, grammar checking or spelling checking, printing, protect of data using passwords and etc. In addition, we also listed some of spreadsheet softwares widely used. First one, Microsoft Excel. This is one of the most commonly used spreadsheet even we will use. Numbers from Apple Corporation. From the Document Foundation we have LibreOffice Calc. Another one from Apache Foundation that called OpenOffice Calc. Another one Lotus 123 also from Lotus Company that's not mentioned here. You can note that also. You want to understand about all basics of Excel, right? Now we will study how can open Excel software and worksheet components also. MS Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint all are in a specific folder that's called Microsoft Office. That is a package. Package has many softwares. Right now we can open the Excel. Look here, this is a start button. Here you want to type the word Excel, then click this. Now you want to select the blank workbook, right? This is a Excel interface. You will be better to use Excel 2010 or any latest versions, but don't use which were released before 2010 because before 2010 the interfaces looks differently according to your book recommended Excel 2010. Here you can see many components, right? Let's introduce them one by one. This is the title bar, top of the Excel screen. Right side the title bar, you have three buttons there. First one is minimize. When I click this button, that interface will not be closed. It will run on the taskbar. Check it now. I click this button. This is a taskbar. That program still running there. If you click this minimized button again, you can take it back full screen. If you use multiple applications simultaneously, you can minimize some apps and when you want, you can maximize again. Second one, the restore down or maximize. The screen size will be reduced. We can check. I click this button. The screen size reduced. If we click the title bar and we can drag the screen. Here able to move the screen. This button again, it shows maximize, goes to full screen. Last one look like cross, that is close button. If I close this Excel workbook, I want to click this cross button. Right, now we can move here, left side of the title bar. You can see some small toolbar in title bar. This is called quick access toolbar. It has some tools which are often used by the user. So many tools are in Excel, but all tools don't use frequently. Maybe some of the tools are used all the time. So if you want some of the tools all the time, put them at this toolbar. Then only you can apply easily without much time. Right, you can add any tools which you want. Here, click this arrow, then you can pick from here. That shows here, this one, open icon is here. If you don't want any tools from quick access toolbar, again you click this arrow, click on this icon. Now see, that's gone. Right, then come to the next row. Here, file, home, insert, page layout, formulas. These are called tabs. Each tabs contain so many components. That's called ribbon. Tabs have group of icons. In home tab, you can see many groups since you can see these categories and you can easily find any icons. If I click on insert tab, now you can see some other collection of tools. Every tab contains set of different tools. Right, now this is a formula bar. This small white color box means portion, is called name box. It shows selected cell address. Selected cell called active cell. I will explain about active cell later in this lesson. This is a formula bar. Here you can type formula to performing calculations. Then here you can see scroll bar, horizontal scroll bar. This is moving page left to right or right to left. There we have vertical scroll bar, that is for moving page top to bottom or bottom to top. Right, look here, this is a status bar. Here indicates current status, that's why it's called status bar. Which also have some buttons here. This view button has changed the views. Here 3 buttons there. First one is normal. Now see, current view is normal view. The first one. Look here, I will click the second one. Second one is page layout view. I click this button. The page view changed. You can see that. Then I will click the third one, page break view. Here also change the view. You can see the preview. Now it shows another view. You can make different views from view tab also. Here you can select from here. Right, I will make this the first option, the normal view. Then this is the zoom control, which can increase the zoom of Excel worksheet. That zoom in. Here plus, I click this icon, zoom in. You can see the different. Next one is indicates minus. If I click this icon, the screen goes to zoom out. Zoom out, that decrease the Excel worksheet size. Here 100% zoom, that means default and perfect view the worksheet. Doesn't matter, you can control the zoom. When you open Excel, that spreadsheet, it means a book. You can look at the title bar. We are mentioned the default name, book 1. Here, MS Excel workbook contain worksheets. Number of worksheets available in one workbook. Any number of worksheets can be added. If you want another sheet, you can easy to make. If you click this button, you can get another worksheet, the named sheet 2. Sheet 1 is the name of this worksheet. You can rename, double click on this worksheet, then you can change. Here I rename this worksheet as Excel Basics. Here Excel Basics sheet 2, I will make another worksheet. So I want to click here, worksheet 3 also here. Sheet 3, this small portion called as sheet tab. Here 3 tabs are available. Each are called sheet tab. If you don't want this sheet 3, you want to right click on this worksheet, then select the delete option. That has been deleted. I want to explain about inner side of the worksheet. Right now, let's study basics about worksheet. The worksheet in Excel has vertical components. They are named A, B, C, D, E like that. They are called column. In Excel, columns are named by using letters A, B, C, D like that. If you use horizontal scroll bar, you can see more columns. Columns A to Z. Z is not a last column. Then starts again AA, AB, AC up to AZ. You can see here. Again AZ is not a last. Next become BA, BB, BC, BZ. Then again CA, CB, CC, CZ. It goes like that. Once ZZ is over, then AAA. Wait, I will show you. Right here, you can see ZZ is not a last column. Once ZZ is over, then triple A, AAA, AAB, AAC like that. If you see last column of Excel worksheet, click Control key and right arrow key. Check it now. Control plus right arrow. Here you can see XFD is the last column. In Excel, first column is A, last column is XFD. Now, if you want to go first column, you want to click Control key and left arrow key. We can check now. Now you will be back to first column. Now look horizontally. Here, every horizontal component is called rows. Rows are named by using numbers, the serial numbers. You can easily press the Control key and down arrow key, Control plus down arrow key. You can see the last row of this worksheet. Last row is 10,48,576. Column range A to XFD. Row range 1 to 10,48,576. You can store lots of data in a single worksheet. Again, if you want to go first row, press Control plus up arrow key because I want to go to top. Look here, these are available in one single worksheet. All worksheets have similar number of columns and rows. Take the mouse point in this area. Click the mouse left button, don't release it. Now check the name box. They are mentioned total number of rows and columns in the Excel worksheet. Here you can see how many rows and columns are there. R means rows and C means columns. Now you can understand about how many rows and columns are in one worksheet. Look here inside the worksheet. Here small rectangle boxes are there. Here this small rectangle components called cell. This is a cell, this also cell, each are cells. Number of cells are in this worksheet. Here you can type the data. Cells are keep the data. Now here how to cell is created. Here I select C1 cell. C1 has been created by column C and row 1. Cell is intersection of a column and row. Intersection means two things are crossing. Already in mathematics you used in this word in set. Here row and column both are crossing. Here thousands of cells available. Each cell intersection by a column and row. Another example. Here I selected E4. This cell has been created with a help of column E and also row 3. That is E3. Every cell has an address, that is cell address. If I select any cell, you can see the cell address in this name box. If you put the data in a cell, computer can't identify the data. Computer can identify that cell address. Computer don't know about data. This is D3. This is a cell named D3. You can't mention 3D. Every cell in a worksheet has a unique address. Unique means cannot be duplicated. Each cell have different name. When I click on a cell, there are dark border placed around the cell. Right, next important thing is that dark border or rectangle shape called cell pointer. This is a cell pointer because it is pointing the specific cell. Now the cell pointer points the cell E3 at this moment. When a cell pointer points the cell, that cell can be called active cell. Now here active cell is E3. This is a name box. It shows active cell address. Right. In next video lesson, I will explain about each steps and important icons in MS Excel. I will meet you all again. Thanks for watching.